Guitar strumming, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of guitar strumming. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about this term, this video is designed to help English language learners like you understand and appreciate the beauty of guitar strumming. First things first, let's define guitar strumming. Strumming is a guitar playing technique where you sweep your pick or fingers across the strings to produce sound. It's one of the most fundamental skills in guitar playing, used in many different music genres. Now, let's dive into the various strumming patterns. There are countless ways to strum a guitar, but some common patterns include downstrokes and upstrokes. This involves moving the pick or fingers down and up across the strings. Rhythmic patterns, combining downstrokes and upstrokes in various sequences to create rhythms. Accenting beats, emphasizing certain beats in a strumming pattern to add dynamics to the music. Strumming is not just about making noise. It's about creating a rhythm and mood for a song. Different strumming patterns can give the same set of chords an entirely different feel. This is crucial in genres like folk, rock, and pop music. If you're just starting out, here are some tips. Start slow. Focus on getting the pattern right before increasing speed. Use a metronome. This helps in maintaining a consistent rhythm. Experiment. Try different patterns to see what works for you and the song. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of guitar strumming. Remember, practice is key in mastering this skill. Happy strumming, and see you in our next video.